How to connect Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wirelessly. I think it should be very simple across all the models, I mean other brands. So just go to the apps here, we go Apple CarPlay, connect, let's search Bluetooth. Can you see that right here? Pair, agree, connect. Done, that's it. Now how about Android Auto? Then I just, then I straight away go to the going back. Where is it? Here, Android Auto, start. Let's search Bluetooth. V2029, switch, pair, start Android Auto. Continue. Right, done. That's it. Very simple. I know this is the Proton model. Actually, it's a rebadge from Geely. So you're having Geely EX5, whether it's a EV or plug-in hybrid. So I guess it should be the same. So if it's not the same, maybe you can let me know in the comment below. Thank you.